channel. Question many people ask me is how to become a hacker or how to become a penetration tester. On this video series, I am going to answer that question. I am planning to bring you series of videos, and on this first video, I am going to tell you what is cyber security. Cyber security is the ongoing effort to protect network systems and all of the data from the unauthorized use of harm. On the personal level, you need to safeguard your identity, your data and your computing devices. At the corporate level, it is everyone's responsibility to protect the organization's reputation, data and customers. At the state level, national security and the safety and well-being of the citizens are the stake. A group of attackers or attacker break in the computer system or network system to gain access. They are called by hacker or penetration tester. Depending on the intent of the break-in, these attackers are mainly classified as white hat hacker, grey hat hacker or black hat hacker. The white hat hacker break into network systems or computer systems to discover weaknesses or vulnerabilities, so that the security of these systems can be improved. These break-ins are done with the prior permission, and any results are reported back to the owner. On the other hand, black hat hackers take advantage of any vulnerability for illegal, personal, financial or political gain. Grey hat attackers are somewhere between white and black hat hackers. They may find vulnerabilities on the system. Grey hat attackers may report the vulnerabilities to the company or customer who are representing the system. If the action coincides with the agenda, some grey hat hackers publish the facts about the vulnerability on the internet so that the other hackers can exploit. Ethical hacking. So, what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is testing the resources for a good case and for the betterment of the technology. If you use our hacking knowledge to good works, that's called ethical hacking. Technical ethical hacking means penetration testing which is focused on securing and protecting IT systems. Next one is hacktivism. Another type of hackers are hacktivists, who try to broadcast political or social messages through their work. A hacktivist wants to raise public awareness of an issue. Examples for hacktivists are jihad and anonymous group. Cyber terrorists. They are hackers who are called by cyber terrorists, who attack government computers or public utility infrastructures such as power stations and air traffic control towers. They crash critical systems or steal classified government information. While in a conflict with the enemy countries, some governments start cyber war via internet. Why hackers hack? The main reason why hackers hack is because they can. Hacking is a casual hobby for some hackers. They just hack to see what they can hack and what they can't hack, usually by testing their own systems. The knowledge that malicious hackers gain and the ego that comes with that knowledge is like an addiction. Some hackers want to make others' life miserable, and others simply want to be famous. Some common motives of malicious hackers are revenge, curiosity, boredom, challenge, theft for financial gain, blackmail, extortion, or corporate work pressure. Ethical hackers do not hack to harm or profit. They are hacking systems to identify the vulnerabilities and prove that the system should be upgraded. Before we become a hacker, we should protect our systems and data by preventing the hacking attacks. On our next video, I will explain how to prevent an attack and how we should safeguard ourselves. I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.